Hey, what's up, you guys? It's the Animal Guru here, aka the Life Guru and just Guru in general. Today, I'm just doing a PSA, just enjoy nature. Enjoy the beauty of it. Take care of our Earth because there's only one Earth. There's no B Earth that we can move on to once we trash this. So just enjoy it. Nature is beautiful. And I do not live here. If you guys are like, oh, look at her house. She lives right by a road. No, this is just a vacation home. We were vacationing for the weekend, which is stupid. Why should you vacation for the weekend? I don't know. Just enjoy nature and enjoy the beauty of it.